We have a client who's in the software business, highly specialised software. They were randomly selected for a tax authority audit here in the United Kingdom. They'd been in the United Kingdom for a number of years. We were able to support them through that in relation to the reviews by the tax authority. But more importantly, as part of that process, we'd identified before the tax authority that there were certain weaknesses in their controls and their internal documentation. So we were able to work with the client to advise them on what they needed to do to improve those controls and processes. One of the main areas was in relation to their own internal documentation and recording, and we were able to help the client to educate their own employees and train their employees on how to complete the documentation properly to make sure that they didn't have any further issues on a tax authority audit. We were also able to work with our client to improve and make changes to those expense claims and documentation, again to make sure that they were compliant in the future and had no issues. In that situation, we were not working just only with the finance team, but obviously with the HR team, who were the team at the client who controlled the expenses and claims part of the business, which was the part that was being audited. So the client was satisfied and I think happy and relieved, I think is the way to describe it. Relieved because the tax authority audit was closed with no adjustment. They didn't have to pay any money to the taxman. We were able to work with them, both their finance team and their HR team, to improve their internal controls and processes, so they have a high degree of comfort now that their internal processes are robust.